Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these steel toe shoes for reviewing purposes. I think that they have a really nice and interesting design. As I've said, it's steel toe, so this part it's really heavy duty, meant for any kind of impact, which I think that it's nice. So I'm gonna place them on and let's see how they feel. They feel really comfortable. I ordered them on size 10 and they fit perfectly, which I think that it's really great. As I've said, they are steel toes, so this part is really hard. And I think that they are great because they offer ample space, protecting your toes for any kind of heavy or sharp objects while being really comfortable to wear without squeezing your toes. They are really lightweight and they are waterproof, allowing you to work in any kind of weather conditions, which I think that they are really nice. They have a anti-slip and wear resistant sole, making it really nice. It is also oil resistant, making it perfect to do any kind of car work, and they are multi-purpose, which can be used on any kind of agriculture, logging, automotive job, but also for any kind of outdoors activities like rock climbing, hiking, meeting any different and diverse needs, which I think that they are really nice, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.